Okay, this is Nugget Falls. The temperature is 20 or 56 degrees, and it feels like the upper 40s to lower 40s. And needless to say, I feel like I'm froze from the wind and the spray coming off of it. But it is beautiful to see. Wow. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to get up real close to it. And, okay, here I go. We're walking up the little beach here. And over to the left is Mendenhall Glacier. You can see it spraying up off the rocks up there. I'm going to see it at the bottom.